It's a special day. Whose special day is it? Ruby. Yeah, so Ruby is 1 year old today. Or 1 year. Yes, you! Do you want to come out? We've got you some special presents. You're down there, are you? We've got some presents.
We've got a few weeks left.
We're going to have to share. Woody is also 1 in 6 weeks' time. So he'll get some presents. So you.
Less than that, isn't it?
No, 6 weeks, aren't they? I thought they were. Yeah, I'm sure they are. So Woody, Ruby will share her presents with you today, as long as you share yours with her in 6 weeks' time. Ooh. Hello. I didn't even know you was up there. Hello. What are you doing? Are you coming? Good girl. Hello. Right, who's going to be first to poo?
Get him over the table. I'd rather you poo on the carpet.
Oh, onto my shoulder, are we? Should we sing to you? Happy Hatch Day to you. Happy Hatch Day to you. Happy Hatch Day, dear Ruby. Happy Hatch Day to you. Hip hip. Hooray.
Woo!
Hip hip. Woo! Do you woo? Hip hip. Okay. Oh, get out. Okay, should we open some presents? Look what you got here. So we've got some.
Woody, it's chewing Woody.
Woody, leave Woody alone. That is a confusing sentence.
Get off it. You've got your beak through your
So we named Woody after Woody from Toy Story because we was thinking of a name whilst we was out in at Disneyland. So he's called Woody and he's currently destroying Woody the toy. Leave Woody alone.
I think they're a bit concerned about this box.
Yeah, we did think they might be a little bit scared of the box, so if they are, should we put the box on the floor and let them go on the table and bring things out individually? Go on then. You got one side and one hand.
Not that heavy.
I know, but I've only got one hand. I didn't want it to spill out. So yeah, so we bought this this big box down here. It's full of mystery parrot toys. We don't know what is in there yet, and we bought them from Scarletts Parrots. We'll drop the link in below, so if anybody likes the look of these, we'll show you where to get them from in the link. Yeah, so it's a mystery box. So this one's worth £30. We decided to spoil Ruby and Woody. Hello. Hello.
I've got to do the same for Woody.
Yeah, so we'll probably get something similar, something a bit different actually for Woody, but we'll figure something out. So yeah, we're going to delve into this mystery box and see what toys. Get out my mouth.
Right,
see what new toys I've got. Hi Woody. Gonna say hello.
I'm trying to eat the camera.
Do you want to go down as well? Do you want to go onto the table? Good girl. Go on then. On the table. No. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we've got. The first one is bubble wrap. It'll take a while to undo. Oh my god, is this one toy? It's huge. I feel like this.
You just need to open it first. Guys, never mind kissing or arguing.
Oh, whatever you want to do.
There's a few in there.
Wow. This is crazy. So, oh my god.
Does it have a name?
I mean, if these aren't scared of it, can't
Fun Max Bird Toys.
Oh my god.
That's the hang it up.
Hang up with
Does
that.
it spin? Oh, it spins.
Oh my days. This is...
Guys, come on.
Are you coming to play? Look, it's like, I don't know what this is like. It's weird, but...
Take it to him.
It looks...
Hello.
Yeah, yes, very good.
What's this?
I could
That's really
I
cute.
just don't know if they're going to be scared of it, but... You say hello to each other.
Oh wait, let me see if there is poo there.
I think there is, but it'll be on the That's a bit of a chair, I think.
You're alright, as long as you give it a wide berth.
Wide berth then.
They're on the side. Just be careful. Stop arguing with each other. Take it a bit close.
Can we have some attention, please? Now, can I look at this? Look.
Turn round.
Spin round.
That's your bum.
I know, spin round. Look what I've got.
Just like, what?
Oh my god. Okay. you don't like that one, do you?
She's coming.
Oh, do you want to look at it? What have I got?
I think that one's a bit big.
Yeah.
We'll put it in the cage, they'll be alright.
So people at home, if like you've not got a parrot yet, one thing that we've learned is that sometimes some toys take longer to introduce than others. Like they just randomly find something scary, and some things I don't mind. So these have been pretty good with everything so far, haven't they? They've not really found anything scary.
I'm going to try and bring Woody back.
That's the first thing they've really been bothered about, but hopefully.
Oh, no.
Oh, there was more. Was that the only one? Oh, there's
No.
more.
Come explore. Here, look. Have a banana. Oh, they've got that one.
Oh.
That's sad. But it is a bit destroyed. But they have got
You've
that
got
one.
a new one of these now, guys.
You shouldn't be scared of that.
Yeah, you've got one. Let's lay this down to you.
Come play with your toys.
You probably don't like the bubble wrap, maybe I should take that out.
I don't think they're very bothered.
That's interesting.
Woody likes the taste, the wrapping.
That's what?
Just trying to show the packet. What is it? You don't have to eat the camera.
Oh wow. This makes noises.
It's been...
This is cool. It's got a bell on it. Oh, you like it, do you? It's got a bell on it.
She's looking. What is it?
Do you like it? It smells weird.
It's colourful.
Pretty.
Now you're going to poo, are you? Brilliant.
What do you think, Ruby?
The joys of having a parrot.
Do you like this one? We had another poo-poo incident. What nappies on you, see?
Oh. Bye.
That's pretty cool as well. I think you're going to like that. I'll beg for that too. Right, I'm going to go down to the box, so I bet you're going to fly away, aren't you, if you don't like the box? Going down. Warning. Warning.
Woody, I've hidden Woody so you can't find him.
Back up. Oh, she stayed, she stayed.
Well, that one looks interesting.
Oh, what is this?
It's a flower.
It's definitely a toy for you then, Ruby, 'cause you're the girl. Although, obviously, gender neutral, anyone can like flowers, so Woody might like it as well. Obviously, got to be pretty correct these days.
Come on, Woods.
Oh, I've got two birds now. Hello. Is it because I'm interesting, because I've got new things? Well, yeah. Okay, cool. You want a mouse now as well, do you, apparently?
Come on.
This is a delicate flower, you need to be careful. It's not funny. Still got more wrapping.
I don't know what it's supposed to do with this. Oh, it does dangle.
Oh, wow.
That's quite cool.
It's got another bell on it, guys. Just more things to make noise with.
That's really cool. Hold it. It's a flower in a pot.
It's a flower.
What is it?
Oh, Woody don't like it. Do you like it, Ruby? You're not scared, are you? Really
What's
like
this
it.
one? Not this one.
So what we'll do is with these, we'll gradually introduce some to the cage. So if they are scared of them, they can slowly get used to them.
Otherwise, just put them in and they'll be okay in a minute.
No, we're responsible parrots.
I don't think they'll be very bothered.
Well, literally every single point. They've never been scared of anything in the cage, have they?
No. Look at all these toys you've got. Why don't you come and play?
Oh wow! Oh, I think that's the end that.
Can I have the...
It's a ring.
Oh, the bell? No, you don't have to land on my head.
You can ring my bell. It's like an Olympic ring.
You could probably get inside there.
Just the one. What, the ring?
Not you.
Oh, okay. Do you want to go in the ring?
You're pulling my hair, Woody.
You go in the ring?
You're stuck in my hair.
Ooh, she likes this one. Oh, she likes my mouth again. Will you get off my mouth?
Ow, you're stuck.
I don't want kisses. You're right there, guys.
No, not really.
She likes this one.
You're stuck in my hair. You can't fly when you're attached to me. Oh, there we go. We solved the problem. Oh! You really are a wimp.
It's going to be fun on your birthday then, Woody.
Do you like it, Ruby?
Oh. Get out of my mouth. You're obsessed today. You don't normally do it this much. She's been biting a little bit, so... Oh my god.
Put it in front of your mouth.
You just my mouth. Okay. It's working. Let's try to figure out how to get to my mouth. It's working. It smells like... You know, when you used to... In school when you used to... We called it DT, I don't know what you called it, but... Design and technology. So it smells like those rooms because it's wood. Still got plenty left. This is a weird netted. They're all getting like the same. They're looking very similar.
It's because they're like...
I think I might have gone over the top with £30.
Well, you got to do the same for Woody.
I know. We need to find something different for £30. This is huge. It's a good job we've got a massive cage upstairs.
I know, they need
If anybody hasn't seen that yet, we are going to be doing a bird room tour coming up soon, so make sure you keep your eyes out for that one. But you can have a proper look around at what we've done upstairs. I know a lot of people are like wondering, you see a lot on social media about people asking about what to do for like bird rooms and stuff, so we'll show you what we've done. We'll put a lot of hard work and thought into it, haven't we? I hope she's eating my ear.
What's that one, Rube?
Oh, I can't get out.
She's trying to get down. Maybe she wants to go on the table. You want the label?
No,
I'll leave it
out
on.
of all the things you want the label. I could have just saved £30 and just got you some paper. What do you want? You know, for your birthday, do you just want some paper? You seem to like ripping up the newspaper at the bottom of your cage, don't you?
So we should go on the table. Oh! That's a no.
Just fat in face.
Too much scary stuff on it. You need to come back.
I barely moved. No, she's already ripped the corner though. She's left a mark.
Come back. You got the last thing?
Yes, for our last toy. Quite a lot here for 30 quid. Look at that. You've done a good job. No, I'm coming back. Come back, Jack. Jack.
That's far too many scary things.
Jack. Come back. Should we put some away? We'll put some back in the box then so you can come back over.
Let's just move them to the other side of the table. Pass me them.
You should like the plant pot.
They'll come play in a minute.
This one
Can I have the one that you just put in the box? She's on the edge now, she'll probably come.
Can you come in?
Yeah.
Yay, hello. Hello. Ready for your last one?
I don't think that plant pot will last very long.
No, that's the coolest one so far. I like that.
That one's not going to last very long.
Over this noise.
Cardboard.
Is it? Oh, it is, yeah.
And wood. Oh, scary.
No. Wow. This is cool, look.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
I got
strange.
the rope and not the cardboard. Look, you can eat the cardboard.
That's plain. Everything else is brightly coloured.
Come on, you gotta like the cardboard. Ruby!
Go hook it on the side of the cage.
You coming over?
Then they might come over here.
You come in.
Does it have a hook?
Yeah, I've got my hand.
Hook it on. Leave it on.
No, I like that bit.
Go hook it on the side.
Which side do you think?
The big cage side.
The big cage side?
Mm.
What, on the big cage?
Oh, Woody's going to fly. Just on the side of it.
Come in. They're going to attack me.
Alright. Up a bit, like near the top. Hello.
Hello. Yes, I'm here.
Higher up than that. So you won't be able to get
on the actual top?
higher. Yeah, do it like this. You might be able to chew it.
Maybe on that then.
It's probably not the best toy to put up there, seems they're going to destroy it. But never mind.
I can't. That's not what I'm done with
Is it? You're going to go explore? Ruby is. She's going to go get the paper.
What, a tag?
Mm.
Seriously, I could have just got you some cardboard for your birthday. Yeah, so the link is below for anybody who wants to have a look at these mystery toy packages. I think they're like, you can get one for £10, 15, 20. I think it goes up to quite high.
100.
50 or 100, isn't it? So yeah, it seems very much worthwhile if you want to get some sort of mystery presents. That's with Scarletts Parrot Essentials or something like
I do like this flower.
that. That flower is pretty cool.
I don't know where to put half these toys.
I think a lot of this can have to go in the parrot room, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
There's a massive cage in there, so
I can take a lot of these toys out and put them upstairs.
we've got a lot of space in the massive cage.
But they're never really in that. They're in the room. Maybe I can hang it in the room somewhere.
Yeah, or on the long rope or something. Thanks. Is that it, guys? You gonna say bye to the camera?
You haven't signed for your birthday.
Who? I have. Happy Hatch Day. You say bye, guys. See you soon.
I'm trying to play with that paper.
You're not gonna say anything, are you?
Hello.
Hello? No, he's too busy. Is that you kissing goodbye? Yeah, so in 6 weeks we'll have Woody's birthday, and also keep an eye out for the matching. No, what am I about? Keep an eye out for the parrot room, parrot room tour. That should be a good video. You coming, guys?
Play. There's lots of toys.
Come on, we'll play with it if you don't.
I'll come and play it with you.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna play. Goodbye. Are you ready? Ruby.
Should have taken a picture of stuff.
Yeah. Ruby. That's your song, Ruby.
I wish you'd sit in front of it. That makes it better.
Ow! Ow! Do you remember this song, guys? Oh, Woody does. Are you ready, guys? Bom bom bom. Funky. Funky. Oh god. Oh, I can't clap. I've got a camera. Let's pretend to clap. 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 Okay, you ready? Oh, oh no! Oh no! This is where they go. Ah. Oh. Doom, doom, doom.
It's biting.
Oi.
Oh, two.
Won't go on my shoulder. Stop beating me. Oh god. Ah, now I'm
Keep going.
I'm not quite sure what's happening here. Oh, he's biting my ear.
You're playing, Rube.
You alright, Ruby? Oh. How are we going to get up from this?
Don't go down, she'll be on the table.
Oh, wow, that was skillful. Oh, that looked good in slow motion. Let's replay that. She's come back to join us. Did you have a good birthday? Yeah? Good girl. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you soon.